Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P40 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously open up settings and scroll all the way down to system and update, and then reset and reset phone. It will give a message that performing this will remove basically everything from the phone, including app data and system settings, installed apps, music, photos, files, and all that kind of stuff. So if there's anything that you'd like to keep, basically back it up before you begin, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have done it already, or you don't care about backing it up and you want to remove it, tap on reset phone, again reset phone, and the process will begin. Now this will take about a minute or so, and once it's finished we will be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.